How's it, friends? It's Miss Oliver, and I wanted to show you some cool things online that you guys can use to help you with your math while you're at home. So this one has virtual manipulatives. So if you're working on dice, you want to do a game with dice, but you don't have any dice, we can go to this site, and it's going to let you put dice in there, and then you can roll it. Maybe you need 2 dice. Or maybe you want to challenge yourself and use just the numbers. So you could roll your 2 dice, 5 and 2, and you could add those together. 5 plus 2 equals, who knows that answer? And we can do that if we need a game that has dice. That's a great one to do. Another one you can do is you can work on your 10 frames. So you have 2 different colors. So you can move them and kind of use that to help you with whatever you need if you're doing your NTI packets or you're playing a game or you're just wanting to kind of play with them. We also have Unifix cubes. I know we use those a lot in class. So maybe you could make a pattern. Or you could use them to help you count. And you can count them, 1, 2, 3. So maybe you're doing addition and you have 3 plus 2, and I can count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or I can count on 3, 4, 5. Another fun one is the 120 board. So you can have someone have you read certain numbers to them, or there's lots of different ways you can play with that too. One I really like is this one can help you with adding. So say my number is 7 on this side. I have to figure out what's going to make it level. I know that 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and now it's level. So that's another way to help with your addition. We also have the bead racks. You guys use these in your classroom sometime. So you can move those over. Say I'm doing 5 plus 2 again, and then I can count those. There's lots of great activities on here. There's also a spinner, and you can customize that. If you're playing a game, you can move it so that it has less numbers. And then you can spin if maybe you need that for a game. Another good one, another good site we have is the number rack. It looks a little bit different. The awesome thing with this is I can move these however I want, but then I can cover that up and you can try to do your math that way. And then you can show it quickly, kind of flash that. So there's a lot of awesome things online you can do since you don't have your Unifix cubes and counters and things like that. There's some awesome ways that you could still use those kind of things at home. And here, if you want to go to Google, you can type these into Google and get to anything that I just had up. There's Didax Virtual Manipulatives. It's the first thing, I believe, if you go to Google. And same with Number Rack by Math Learning. So these are some great things to help you with your NTI packets or just to kind of play games with or have fun. I hope to see you soon, guys. Bye.